Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at some new cases for your iPhone 14s from Spigen. First up, we got the Ultra Hybrid 01 Mag Fit. And then we got the big boy, the Enzo. All right, so let's get right into it. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love
White shoes.
my white shoes.
Calm down. Okay, here we go. First up, we got the Ultra Hybrid 01 Mag Fit. Now this one is going to run you $54.99. This case is going to give you that tear down effect without tearing down your phone. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, inside, let's see. Certificate of authenticity, plug it in, file it. And here it is. Now check this out. Let's see, it says A16, that's the Bionic Supersonic Titanium Uranium chipset. Let's see, you got your MagSafe ring. And it kind of looks like you can see through the phone. Now, of course, you got buttons, cutouts, buttons. Let's get it, slap it on the Pro. Bung, just like that. Now, look at this. I love it. Okay, I love it. Oh, look, it says Spigen iPhone. What does that say? iPhone edition 01. Okay. What's that? Haptic engine. Okay. All little chips and circuits on the inside. Now, of course, you got maximum razivity. So it is Slamboy certified. Let's check for MagSafe. Okay. Now look how strong that magnet is. Okay. Nice and juicy. Let's check wireless charge. Get that into frame. There's your wireless charge. Okay, this is the Spigen wireless charger for anybody who's going to ask. Let's check the buttons. Okay, nice clicky button press. And of course, all of the cutouts, everything lines up. Oh, this one is dope. Now, I actually got to catch a flight in 2 hours. But as I was getting ready to get dressed, I seen this package in the mail, and I got to take this case with me to Vegas. I have to. Oh, this is so sick. Okay, so this is the Ultra Hybrid 01 Mag Fit. Let's keep it moving. All right, so next up, we got the big boy, the Enzo. Now, this one is going to run you $127. This is that leather. This is official tissue. Now, if you watch my channel, last year I did the iPhone 13 Pro Max version. And look how the leather still looks crispy. I basically rock this case every day. Y'all know how I feel about leather. Now we got the updated version. Let's take it over to the website. Okay, first in its class, the Enzo showcases your iPhone 14 Pro Max across the finish line. Its vegetable tan leather Genoma patinas over time for a distinguished look while packed with unmatched protection. Now with improved magnets and a flush logo for better MagSafe compatibility, imprint your legacy and experience luxury without compromise. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Okay, so $127 on this one. Let's take our time and get into this one. Okay, this is the Enzo. Now let's see, this is the, what color is this? This is black. Okay, so we'll start off with black. Okay, now little Spigen logo, Enzo. Kind of like Ferrari, you know what I'm talking about? All right, let me count down. Okay, so inside. Now let's enjoy this presentation. Let's see. Enzo Certificate of Authenticity. Plug it in. Oh, look at that. Okay, it's like you winning an award right there. Let me hold on. Let me win my award. Okay, this is the Certificate of Authenticity serial number. Okay, don't try to copy mine in front with your fake leather case. This is the one official Enzo case. Okay, now, usually I would pluck it and file it, but I'm going to go ahead and hold on to that. All right, I'm going to go ahead and hold that. Okay, more stuff? Okay, that's what I like to see. Now, check this out. It does come with the leather, all right, the leather strap, if you want. Now, personally, I don't really think I'm going to need this, but I'll save it anyway. Why not? Little poison for the trolls. Let me go ahead and hold that, too. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the Enzo. Woo! Oh, wait a minute. Come on, bro. That look like my certificate of authenticity. You know what I'm saying? That's the Floss seal of approval. Okay. What does that say? One of my Italian subs let me know. Pelle consigliere il vegetale in Toscana. I think that means made vegetable made in Toscana. Okay. Y'all like my Italian. Come on, don't front. Let's see, handcrafted, genuine leather. Some people say genuine. I like to say genuine. All right, when you got a fine product, you can't say genuine. All right, that's genuine. Just like you don't say aluminum, you got to say aluminium. Now look at this. You got your MagSafe ring on the inside. Y'all know I got to say, what's that, velvet? Genoma, okay. Buttons, cutouts. Now, let me grab a little unboxing knife. We need a real knife for this one, okay? When you're doing a fine product like this, you don't want to disrespect it with some little bullshit knife, okay? And here we go. The Enzo. Now, I might be late for my flight, but this will be worth it. Because when I drop this on my iPhone 14 Pro Max, I'm going to get in there. Look at that. First of all, metallized button. Going to give you a nice press. Look at the amount of resivity on this one. So although it is a fine, genuine product, it is Slamboy certified. Spigen logo embedded on the back. Okay, let's check wireless charge on this one. Okay, there's your wireless charge. Let's see how strong this MagSafe magnet is. Bang. Maximum shakage, no movement. The camera's nice and recessed. Now, on a side note, I do got a tempered glass screen protector and camera protection lenses, and the case fit with no issues. Now, if you did want to rock the strap, it would probably look like this. You know, I'll just give y'all a little demo look like that, but I ain't going to rock it. I'm going to leave it just like this. Now, the thing about leather, it's just like me. Okay, leather is just like me. We get better over time. Okay, you don't get older. Okay, you get better over time. You see, when you start to get these little scratches and scuffs, that means your leather has been through some shit. You don't want brand new leather. All right, now personally, I don't even like the case when it looks this new. I like to drop it around. I like to let my leather build some character. Okay, that means that you know something about leather. All right, now if you see somebody's leather looking too brand new, they just got put on. All right, when you see somebody's leather looking like this, that means you ain't telling them nothing new. Okay, now let me stop talking shit. Let's take it over to the other color. Okay, now this one is the slate color. Slate. Now at this price point, you're gonna have to enjoy this presentation. Okay. Okay. Certificate author. And the winner is, hold up, and the winner is Floss. Okay, let's see. Certificate of authenticity, serial number. Now let's just see. Let's put Spigen on blast right now. See y'all. Okay, different serial numbers. Okay, it's not just one card for everybody. Actual different serial numbers. You know what I'm saying? I got to test that out. Okay, let's see now. Do we get the slate color strap with this one? Yes. Okay, so here's the difference in the color. The slate kind of has a bluish hue to it. And this is... Let me try that one more time. Pelle Conciata al Vitale in Toscana. I know right now somebody's watching this video in Italy cringing. Like, what is he talking about? Cringing. Okay, here we go. This is the Spigen Enzo in slate. Let me do the smell test on this one. Yes, this is that leather. This one smells like a fresh Avrex leather jacket in 1997 on Jamaica Avenue. You know what I'm saying? With a 40 ounce of malt liquor by your left Timberland boot. This is that leather right here. I love it. Look, see, look. I smell this so hard. I got a little nose. I'm sweating. I had a little nose sweat on there. That's how you know I be really smelling these products, though. People think I just be like, No, I really be smelling this shit. Let's drop it on the Purple Thanos. Okay. Purple Thanos. Woo! Now let's see. Yeah, this is leather, so, you know, it depends how moist you are. If you walk around moist all the time, you might get some smudges, but here's how it's going to look. The Spigen Enzo. This is my favorite leather case. Okay, now, I haven't done too many leather cases in the last couple of years. Y'all remember I used to rock with Motomo. I don't know, Motomo, I don't know if they went out of business or not, but haven't had too many good leather cases. And this is what I like. I like these leather cases because it gives your iPhone more of a luxury feel. Now, this is the kind of stuff that I rock on a daily basis, go to the gym, go to the park, play some ball, do what I got to do. But when I'm going out for my fine dining experiences, if y'all follow me on Instagram, you know exactly what I'm talking about. This is the case that you're going to see placed next to my ribeye steak and 2 lobster tails and about 6 martinis. That's how I give it up. Anyway, y'all know I'm too hyped right now. I'm getting ready to go on vacation. That's why my excitement level is on max. And it's also on max because these cases are actually dope. So this is the Ultra Hybrid. Okay, the new Ultra Hybrid. What I said the name of this one was? This is the Ultra Hybrid. Let's see. Mag something. Forgot the name of it already. All right, Ultra Hybrid. We'll call this the new Ultra Hybrid. All right, this is the new Ultra Hybrid. I forgot the name. And of course, the Enzo Ferrari. Anyway, what y'all think about these cases? Hit me up in the comments. Let me know. Other than that, I'll see y'all when I get back from vacation. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah. Special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat. Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes. Picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock won the beam up.
Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize.
I want everybody to subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real tech reviews. Now, Flossy Carter, we know you flossy. Now, guess what? I'm flashy. Money May all day, the one and only. Flossy Carter, you part of the money team.